in the mirror and brush teeth? Is it better? You want to brush your teeth looking in the mirror, or you want to sit down and brush teeth better?
Sit down.
Lazy, Mama teach you. Can I help you with your hand? You want? Would you like that? Or you want me to hold your hand to brush? Okay. You hold that toothbrush. I'll guide you, okay? Open your mouth. That's right. Enough. Enough. Hold tight. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Go ahead. Okay, huh? Hold your hands. Hold the toothpaste. Toothbrush. Okay, now we do it. Tongue. Okay. Tongue.
Not swallow, okay?
No, nowadays you don't swallow.
Good job.
Okay.
Well done.
Now I have the cup of water here. Squat there and then gargle. Help her. Make sure that she don't wet her mouth.
Wow. My girl grew up already, know how to brush the teeth and gobble the water in her mouth and rinse it out as well. Wow. Good job. Well done. My girl really grew up already. I cannot imagine that. She's growing up very fast. Just now she was standing next to the elephant. Now it's almost touching the elephant already. On top of the computer. She's growing up very, very fast. I'm so impressed. Yeah. Good job, good job, good job. Finish it all up. No, the TV is very clean.